All right, so I got my first soaps, my first shave soap and products from Stirling Soap Company out of Boonville, Arkansas. I was practicing. Arkansas. I don't know why I say Arkansas, but I know it makes Arkansasians, if that's what they're called, I know it makes them pretty mad. So I apologize to anybody from Arkansas watching this. But I'm very excited. This is also my first oud scent, oud. And, but it's at the bottom of the scent, apparently, is what I'm hearing from the Soap Thing project. Because he talks about oud too much in like a fun way, not like, oh, I wish he would stop. More of like, this guy's like an oud specialist. And so this soap here is called Agar, or Agar, and it's supposed to be their oud scent. So I went ahead and also got their matching post-shave balm, which I'm also very excited about. And then I just got their like witch hazel and aloe mixture because I'm almost out of the Thayers, and I figured this would be a good way to try something new for something that's beneficial to my skin. I usually use it in between the shave and the aftershave, and this post-shave balm is like a balm, and I think that'll be nice in the winter, so that like the aftershaves don't like dry out my skin and stuff. This will actually be beneficial for my face, hopefully, so we'll see what happens with that. But let's smell the soap. It's very nice. I mean, okay, so I don't know what oud is supposed to smell like, but there's definitely some woods going on in this here soap, and that's okay by me because I do like a nice wood scent. It makes me feel like I'm a tree cutter, an arborist, a lumberjack, but having it in this with whatever oud is supposed to smell like, pretty cool. It's tallow based, so it uses animal fat as opposed to like vegan soaps. Post-shave balm, I'm gonna put a little bit on. Just a little bit, just to try it out, see what it does to my mug. Definitely smells nice. Feels good on the face. I'm excited to use this when I'm shaving. Got the barbershop scent soap as well. It's a sample, so it's just a little cookie wafer. And the Bay Run. They sent me a Bay Rum bath soap tester. So pretty cool. Pretty excited. Thanks for watching.